Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. To get started, swipe down from the top of your screen twice, and then select the power option right here, the power button, and from here you want to hold power off. When you hold it, as you can see, this changes into safe mode instead. With a message, tap again to restart your tablet in safe mode. Downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your tablet. We're just gonna click on that once more, and like the message stated, this would just begin resetting the tablet, and then once it boots back up, it automatically goes to the safe mode. Or maybe I should probably say not resetting, but restarting. Now anyway, let's give it a moment. Now, going over the message, when it mentioned that it disables the apps, any application that you've installed yourself is considered a third-party application, and on Samsung's, that's not even like limited to those. As you've probably seen, a bunch of applications just kind of being grayed out before I rebooted it. Those are apps that after the setup haven't been downloaded just yet. Let's see if they are still visible right here. And they are. So we have things like Clock, Game Launcher, let's just pop that up, Calculator, Calendar, Samsung Free Game, already went over that, Samsung Notes, then we have a bunch of things right here. These are all technically default apps that come with this device. If you connect to network, they will automatically download without ever asking you for permission, but if you don't, they're just in this kind of a weird limbo state. The reason I'm mentioning that is because all those applications that haven't downloaded and kind of look this wonky will not run in safe mode. So these would be still considered third-party application, as they do not come pre-installed with the device. They download themselves after connecting to network. And any kind of other application that you have done so, like downloaded after the setup, is considered also as a third-party applications and hence will not work in safe mode. Now this is strictly designed for troubleshooting your device. If you have some kind of problems with it and that you seem to not be able to solve in normal mode, you might want to boot it into safe mode and then try to resolve the problem in here, as applications won't be able to cause any kind of problems in the background. Once you're done using the safe mode, you can boot back up your device, reboot your device by selecting the power button and selecting restart to get back to the normal mode. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.